Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
My shirt and button it up here. And this is my kitchen, and I'm making these big jumbo pork chops.
That's right.
They're bottom roast pork chops. These are like the big ones that they serve like in restaurants. So what I'm gonna do is I'm coloring them here because they get nice and brown, and then I'm gonna put them in this pan because I'm gonna finish them in the oven. I'm gonna serve that with mashed potato and sweet onions, caramelized onions. That is 3 little onions that I put in there, cut out. Michael cut them for me with 1 stick of butter.
That's right.
And you see my brown sugar over there on the left.
That's right.
So there's gonna be caramelized onions over the finished pork chop, and that's gonna be served on top of some mashed beautiful
Sweet
potato.
onion, thick cut pork chop
I think
recipe.
I'm gonna turn this one. Be careful, Michael. Please.
All right. Turn it now, turn it
So as soon as they're all
Sure
done
do.
like that, I'm gonna put them here in this tray, and they're gonna go in the oven at 420.
That's right.
And when they come out, we'll finish cooking. And when they come out, I'm gonna caramelize it with the onions that I have cooking over there with the butter, and then I'm gonna put some sugar on that.
That's right.
Maybe a little bit of honey, a grain or two of honey. Let's see how our potatoes are doing here, guys.
Potato, potato,
Oh, they're still hard, so they need to boil. So let this potatoes boil, and we'll see you guys back in 15-20 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button, and press that bell too, okay? So every time we do one of these, you will be the first one to know. Don't forget to subscribe. See you. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is very hot.
What is that?
This are my big jumbo pork chops, okay?
No, the sauce.
Yeah, this is where I fry them, okay? The grease where I fry them. So I'm gonna put a little bit on the top because I don't want them to dry out in the oven. I need them to fully cook on the inside. So in order to do that, you gotta put a little grease on the top. Now my oven is on 400. I'm gonna leave it like that on 400. And I'm gonna put these right in the middle of the pan, just like that. And I think I'm gonna go up here a little bit of the temperature to 420, start it. And we're gonna do half hour on that. Now meanwhile, while that is doing, we're gonna mash my potatoes. And I can show you how I mash my potatoes. Okay, I'm not gonna take all the water out because I'm gonna need some of it. I'm not gonna put any milk in it. A lot of people put milk in it, in the potatoes. I don't like putting milk in it.
No
This
more
is
milk,
what I
no
like
more
to do. I'll
milk.
show you a trick that my mom showed me. It works magic. You leave a little bit of that same water you see where it boiled in.
That's right.
That's kind of like milk from the potato. As you can see, see that white, how it is?
Yeah, starch.
That exactly. So that's kind of like milk from the potato. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take your masher. Hold on a second, guys. Bear with me on this one. Michael calls these, what do you call these, Michael? He calls them
Masha.
fillers. He said,
Yeah.
oh, Mom, you're doing a filler. And I'm like, what is a filler? He's like, oh, you're just talking until this is done. And I'm like, no, what I want to do is, you see, show everybody. You see?
Smoking.
So for the little water that I had from the same things, and then I'm going to put a whole stick of butter.
Not half a
because
stick.
You can't have,
Not a quarter of a stick.
you can't have
A whole stick.
mashed potatoes
Without butter.
Without butter, okay? So you got to put butter in there. You're just gonna continue to mash
Mash it
until
up,
nice and
mash
soft.
it up.
And you just mash. See that? And you're gonna see you're not gonna need no milk. Because what are you gonna do with the milk? Come on. You already have to start from the potato. You're gonna put milk too. You know, you wanna try not to do that. These are potatoes only for Michael and my husband, James. And I think, can you put a finger inside there, Michael, and just taste the thing?
Ah!
I'm gonna put a little bit more of hot water to make him softer. Look,
Oh,
because I
look at that, guys.
all the water, like the milky out. I'm just gonna put, if you can see this, look, just a little bit of hot water from the tap water, like that. See? Just a little bit.
They're so good.
Exactly.
Creamy.
With the help
Delicious. The best
butter.
potatoes, mashed potatoes you've ever made.
Because to help up the butter that I put in there, that whole stick of butter and
Wow.
more hot water.
Wow.
That's all you need. You don't need to put milk.
Nope.
All day with seasoning.
They don't need seasoning. They're already seasoned.
And then let me take a look at my sweet onions that I'm making here. So what we're gonna do is, come and see, Michael. I want you to put a picture
Coming.
of this so people can see this real quick. These are my sweet onions. I'm gonna let them dry and get more glaze because I want them thicker than this.
Dry
so
it
I'm
up,
gonna go
dry
away.
it
I'm gonna come back like in 10 minutes. 10, 15 minutes. That's the cook time that I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put 15 minutes on this steak.
That's right.
Okay. And when we come back, I will be taking the steak out. As you can see, and let's turn the light on, Michael, without opening. Maybe you can see a little bit. Remember, I did clean the oven a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
The other day, very clean. And
That's
Dad
right.
was complaining, saying that it was dirty, whatever. And I'm like, if you want to say that, say that. But those are my sweet onions, caramelized with butter and brown sugar. And of course, sweet onions. 3 small sweet onions Michael cut for me. And here's my mashed potato. So when that is done, it's going to be mashed potato, a pork chop on the top, and then caramelized
Onions.
sweet onions
Yeah.
and brown sugar glaze on top of it, on top of this. And that will be dinner, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press that notification button. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Google Plus, on Pinterest,
On Facebook.
on Facebook.
Hit that notification bell.
Notification button. Do all that good stuff, and I'll see you back in 15 minutes. Don't forget to come back. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Everything is done. You see me picking up. I ready for my husband. He went up. I ate my food. I put Junior's food over there. And this is your pork chop with your glazed onions. You can see them nice and crystal. And your mashed potato. That will be Michael's food. Michael, you better like hit that.
All right.
Like man that ate already. My stuff was good.
I was waiting.
I'm gonna go chill now and take a nap, watch a comedy, like a comedy on Netflix. See what Netflix has. But guys, Dad, don't forget to subscribe. Don't drink and drive. You don't want to be drinking and driving. Michael is eating his mashed potatoes. Let everybody know how that is, Michael.
Delicious.
Delicious. There you go. Michael says it's delicious.
Tastes like KFC.
It's delicious. Huh? Tastes like what? Like KFC? Because that's how you make your potatoes. You don't have to put any milk in it. You know what I'm saying? Only all that does is like get you fat. Why do you want to put potatoes, milk in it, if it already has a starch for the potatoes? You know what I'm saying? And butter. Want to put milk too?
Nope.
You know what I'm saying? You don't want to do that. Well, anyways, guys, don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Try to repeat my recipe there that I got for all you guys. I'm going to try to do some of these dishes while Michael enjoys his beautiful dinner. I ate mine with sweet plantain. And you see in the back, I already picked up everything. This
That's
is
right.
Junior's. Look. Okay. That's Junior's there. There's mashed potato and his onions. And love you all. Don't drink and drive. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us. Don't forget to go down to the link below for dog food if you want. Or to donate $1 on Patreon. You donate on lifeabundance.com/for-all. You look for your puppy food that you want to get treats for your puppies. Or no, don't get treats for your puppies. Whatever you want to do, we're happy with you. Good night and have a good for all.